Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
It's all been a lie! All of it. The entire Metal Complex YouTube channel is a lie! It's time for me to stop living the lie! And let the people know what the greatest knives of all time are. So, without further ado, I present to you Metal Complex's true top 8 favorite EDC knives of all time. Number 8! The Rainbow Mermaid Knife. How can we not talk about the majesty, nay, the might, nay, the glory of the Rainbow Master Princess of the Sea? Number 7! What if I told you that for $5 at Walmart, you could get a knife that costs $5? Yes, of course, the Ozark Trail Flipper Knife, believe it or not, is actually what it's called, is in fact a knife that costs $5 and it is a knife. Number 6. The Milwaukee Fastback. Every Larry from every parts department across the United States owns this knife, and let me tell you something about Larry. He's always been right. The Milwaukee Fastback is all you need. It can cut things and go in your pocket and doesn't cost very much, and I'm pretty sure you can find it at Home Depot. It might be less interesting than literally everything else that the knife world has to offer, but by God, it'll get the job done. Number 5! Are you a fan of mountain climbing and knives that aren't specifically related to mountain climbing in any way? Well, boy howdy, have I got a knife for you. The James Brand Redstone is a knife that's made from steel, VG10 steel, and some plastic bump things that go on the... It's made for mountain climbing. The best knife you could ever have. If you find yourself on a mountain and need a knife, the James Brand Redstone is a knife that can be on a mountain with you. It can cut the things that hold this, where you're attached to the mountain via what I assume is paracord, or it's a mountain climbing knife, okay? It could be yours for well over $100. It's not that bad. You can put it in your pocket. Number 4, the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops Black Tanto. The most extreme knife that has ever been, with extreme 7CR7, that can't be right. 77CR17 MOV steel will cut regular cardboard with extreme ease. The Extreme Ops Smith & Wesson Black Tanto Rescue Knife is equipped with a bunch of unique tools, including Tanto Blade, black coating, serrations, glass breaker, seatbelt cutter, and rubber. Number 3. Are you a fan of extremely generic bead-blasted blades connected to what appears to be an unfinished skeletonized frame? Me too! That's why the Gerber Paraframe is 100% one of my favorite knives to carry. The Gerber Paraframe is a knife and can be purchased with money if you want to. It will rust. Number 2. The good old Buck 110. A lot of people say the Buck 110 was the point where evolution in the knife world ceased to exist, and I agree. Imagine the convenience, utility, craftsmanship, just the overall glory of your current modern pocket knife, and then imagine all of that is gone, and we go back to the days of the Buck 110, where basically convenience is no longer part of the equation. Number 1! So what's my real number 1 favorite knife? You think you know? You probably do. So pat yourself on the back. Congratulations. You saw through me. You knew that my love was deep and true. The amount of joy that I get from this knife has been masked, nay, buried beneath the surface of all visible emotion from Metal Complex. Yes, the true number one is, of course... Hold on a moment. Just need to lock the blade out. Well, is it... Oh, no, that's too far. That's too far now. Oh, well, no, I didn't do it at all. Oh, well, now it's... Yeah, there we go. So to go back, turn it this way. I see. All right, and now we can... Oh, boy, technology. Now, that is really something there. Look at this. Look at this. When you want to open it up, you give it a turn. You give it a little open here. Make sure it's all the way out. There we go. And then you give it a turn back in the other direction there. All right, I'm done. Happy April 1st, everybody.